Welcome to 2252 Meurs Court here in Wyoming, Michigan. Let's take a look inside. You will love all of the natural light coming through these massive windows in the living room and dining room, the fully refinished floors, and brand new light fixtures boasting a modern look and feel. Next up, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath right off the main hallway. And just past the open concept dining room and living space, you will find a fully remodeled kitchen with enough room for an additional pantry or a breakfast nook. The upper level includes the largest bedroom in the house and an additional living space. And don't forget, the biggest closet. If you thought I was done, think again. This home has a fully finished basement and yet another full bath. Outside, you'll find a 1-stall detached garage, and all of this sits on the largest corner lot in the neighborhood, perfect for enjoying the weather, grilling out, or entertaining guests. Looking for a spacious 3-bed, 2-bath home under $200,000? Look no further. Schedule your private showing today or stop by our open house on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. See you there.